7 years ago, our father...
Don't move.
What?
Don't move.
Not moving.
Shh, not moving. Try to blend in.
Blend in? What do you mean?
Blend in.
Huh? What are you saying?
Too late.
No, it's not too late. I'm blending. I'm a blender. Ah!
Hey, calm down. What are you doing? Tranquilo. Stop moving. Try not to look conspicuous. Hey, psst. What are you doing? I'm blending. Go blend somewhere else.
Don't distract me.
No room at the inn.
It's an art, not a science.
Find your own hiding place.
This is good.
Oh, here she comes. You better run, Mojito.
You what? You said don't move.
That was before. Now, you run. Adios, amigo.
Oh, hey, proboscis. Oh, testy. Oh no. Please. I have vertigo. My gland is swelling. No.
¡Ay! ¡Madre de Dios! I'll kill you! You stupid lizard! Get out of there! I'm gonna strangle your huevos!
Big bird!
No, wait! Come on! Hey, I was just kidding! Come on, we're friends, huh?